One person has raised a question ki how do I know which yoga style I would love to start. Simple. I will say you know your body. आपको पता है आपके शरीर क्या है, कैसे है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Okay. So accordingly you will choose your practice. So for beginners, if they want to continue, if they want to know how your body works when you do start practicing yoga, so you will start with Sukshma Vyayam. In Sukshma Vyayam, you will do the neck movement, Griva Sanchalan, so the side bending with inhale and exhalation, side twisting, then rotation, then do shoulder movement up and down. You will twist your waist backward and forward, move your knees. All this Sukshma Vyayam from top, from head to toes you will do. Okay. After that, you can start with Tad Asana. Basic practice. From Tadasana you will start. You can do Mrinal Asana. In Mrinal Asana you can do side bending, lock your fingers like this, and you can do side bending, keep your feet together also. You can expand your feet also. You can do Skand Sanchalan this way. This practice you can do. You can do backward bending and forward bending 10 times each you can do. And okay, after that you can do some practice like Vrikshasana. In Vrikshasana, you can keep your one of the ankle, just place it straight to your under your thighs and keep your hand up. So with the balance. So how you will balance? You can focus your eyes in one particular point. Okay. From that you can start the balancing of your mind. So you can improve the concentration also. You can improve the strength of your body. You can improve the strength of your thoughts also. Okay. So overthinking nahi hoga. So you can do start from these basic practices. And one more thing you can do, Virechan Gati. Virechan Gati is a very good practice to detox your lungs. Okay. So Virechan Gati precaution we will keep for the people who is having a person having a high hypertension kind of issue, those who have a shoulder infection, shoulder not infection, shoulder injury, or somebody have cervical severe cervical pain, if they have a kind of issue like spondylitis, so they will not do this practice. And pregnant women also they can't do, but other person can do this practice. How to do? Keep your thumb inside, lock your fingers, inhale up and exhale down. You can do like this way. Okay, this way you can do in one round 20 to 30 counts you can also do, or more than. Okay, so these things you can continue with slowly. Okay, and slowly you can improve the strength. You will improve the strength and you can do it once. Okay, okay. Hariom, namaste.